Canada launches Hong Kong pathway that will attract recent graduates and skilled workers with faster permanent residency. A public policy creating a pathway to permanent residence in 2 streams was put in place on June 1, 2021, and expires on August 31, 2026. As the number of applicants increases, the immigration quota has suddenly been reduced. The initial promise of granting faster permanent residency is no longer upheld. The backlog issue has led to more problems. During the waiting period, their work permits expire. Hong Konger without valid status cannot work in Canada. To tackle the issues mentioned above, IRCC introduced an optional open work permit in May 2024, giving Hong Konger waiting for permanent residency the chance to stay and work legally in Canada. However, many of us have been unfairly rejected by the IRCC. Without legal status, they can't earn money, and their children can't attend school. What's even more serious is that they have no access to healthcare. More and more Hong Konger are facing this issue now. Recently, the IRCC announced that due to a large backlog, most applications won't be processed until after 2027. The promise of faster permanent residency is no longer being upheld. Please, clear the backlog. If the backlog is not resolved, Hong Kong people will repeatedly face issues such as losing legal status, their children being unable to attend school, and lacking access to healthcare, among other problems. Several potential solutions have been proposed to address the backlog in permanent residency applications for Hong Kong residents under Canada's immigration system. Expediting the processing of the lifeboat scheme applications, consider establishing a dedicated team to handle backlog cases and increasing immigration quotas. Enhancing transparency in the application process. For cases where applications are rejected, detailed reasons should be provided. Applicants should also be given a reasonable time frame to submit additional documents or appeal the decision, rather than being asked to stop working immediately. Providing transitional measures for applicants awaiting a decision or in dispute over their applications, temporary work permits should be issued to prevent financial hardship. Many applicants face humanitarian issues when their work permits are denied while waiting for permanent residency, leading to loss of income, children's education opportunities, and healthcare coverage for the entire family. Clarifying the priorities and resource allocation behind different immigration policies, the government should publicly explain the rationale behind policy differences so that all applicants, including Hong Kong residents, can understand why these distinctions exist. In summary, the key to resolving the backlog of Hong Kong residents' permanent residency applications lies in increasing immigration quotas, expediting processing, improving transparency, providing transitional support, and clearly communicating the considerations behind immigration policies.